Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the recipe of brick rose ornament in Hartia. So right now Hartia has an event that called Modular Street, and at this event there is a battle pass that in here you can unlock or you can get many cool rewards, and one of them is this brick rose ornament. And to unlock this rewards or this recipe, you must reach level 45, and to get this raffle you can collect the festival points first. You can get the festival points from the town festival catalogs that are available each week on here. You can just complete all the quests on here and then just unlock all the festival points, and then after that you can get the points from the collections rewards on here. And then you can also get the festival points from the resident quest or daily quest or weekly quest. And after you reach level 45, you can unlock this recipe, and the recipe will be added to your workbench automatically. You can just craft it on there anytime. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.